do apologise about the delay, ladies and gentlemen, but I've been on the roof of this coach with a chainsaw chopping down trees. Because we broke a windscreen on the other double decker this morning. £600 a time, we don't want to play too many. A tour of the tree trimming. If you notice that the corner on the right hand side, the other side of the roundabout now has got no trees left. That's all gone. Just here on the right hand side, all those trees have gone in the edge. No, it's just here on the left hand side. There's half a forest in the side of the edge. Oh there. Done all that line for about 45 minutes flat. Then I get a chainsaw. You'll be very surprised what I can get my hands on. When we get back up to the campsite, you'll see a white transit van, and in the back of that is half a forest and a chainsaw. There he is. That's my father. Campsite.